This is proof I made $80,000 in 2 months as a beginner using Printful or Shopify, and I don't invest any money. You can easily earn money with this POD method. In this video, I will clearly show the step-by-step instructions and my exact strategy. Then you easily earn money like this. You don't need any money or knowledge, so don't skip this video because your earnings start after watching this video. First, start your Shopify free trial. Then go into Add Apps, click on Shopify App Store, and search for Printful. Install the app. Now, once you're in Printful, go to Product Templates. Create a product. You choose men's clothing, women's clothing, accessories, etc. But let's create a t-shirt. Here you can choose the file. Once your file is uploaded, it goes right onto the t-shirt. Then just follow the instructions to add it to your Shopify store. Then create your t-shirt mockup video for free advertising. And make a TikTok account and upload your mockup video to your TikTok account with trending songs. Upload at least 100 videos. If your video viral, then you will get sales like this. This is the very safe first strategy for making crazy money from print-on-demand business.